Isip ang 23 o 4 quarter. Walang kicker. Sabi ko, ba't kasi 7 cards lang? Kulang ko lang ang 9.
Samaritan versus Trinity. It's gotta be a jump ball between MR and number 18. Announcing the arrival of Mr. Chani. Raymond dribbling the ball. Pinasa, naki-Emer ang bola. Dinidribble ni Raymond. Pinasa kay Jeff. Tinira ni Raymond. Good. Two-point basket by Raymond. Discard. Dinadala ang bola. Binababa. Gumagawa ng play. Humahanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay Christian. Christian binalit kay Discard. Discard, Gumay. Traveling. It's a traveling violation by Discard. Reynard. Dinadala ang bola. Pinasa kay Sirk. Sirk dribbling the ball. Pass to Emer. Easy basket. 2-point by Emer. Sandy dribbling the ball. Back to Discard. Discard. Gumagawa ng play. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay JC.
Balik mo!
Sandy dribbling the ball. Pass to Discard again. Discard. Dinribble ulit. Naagaw. Pass break to Reynard. No good. Christian. Pinasa kay JC. JC. Inaagawan. Loose ball. Great ball. Reynard, dinadala ang bola. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Emer sa painted. Pass back to Tenorio. No good. Rebound by Raymond. One more time. No good again. Rebound by Discard. Pass break. Dinadala ng bola. Foul. Raise the taas na po ang kamay. Number 10, Reynard, foul. Good foul in the transition. JC, inabas ang bola. Inbound to Discard. Discard. Dumidiskarte. Ayan, sumaksak. Sa paint. Pinasa kay Christian. Christian, easy bucket. No good. Rebound to number 8. Discard again. One more time in the painted area. Good. Nice shot, Mr. Discard. Third, ilabas ang bola. Pinasa kay Reynard. Reynard, binababa ang bola. Naghahanap ng papasahan to Emer's perimeter. It's a traveling violation. Good call, right? Blue ball. Inbound by Discard to Christian. Back to Discard. Dinadala ang bola on the right wing. Bumalik sa gitna. Pinasa kay JC on the 3-point area. Doon right. Perimeter. Bad pass by JC to Reynard in a pass break. Oh, pass back to Raymond. That's a good pass. Christian, binababa ang bola. Discard. Hinahanap ng papasahan, dumidiscarded. Back to Christian. Then to JC. JC to Christian. Christian sa perimeter sa side. No good. Rebound by Tenorio. To Reynard. Gumagawa ng play si Reynard. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Tenorio. Back to Reynard. Back again to Tenorio. Tenorio on the drive. No good. Rebound by JC. Pass break to Discard. Discard on the transition. Foul. Taas po ang kamay. Reynard, number 10, second personal foul. Chucky. Chucky Cheese. to discard, Dumi Discarte. Good defense by Raymond. Inbound right shot. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Christian sa ilalim. Bumalik sa perimeter. Tinira. Good shot by Christian. 2 points by Christian. Binababa again ni Reynard. Dumidiscarte. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pinasa sa left side to Surf. Dribble ang bola. Back to Reynard. Naghahanap ng papasahan to the right side. MR on the perimeter. No good. Rebound by Discard. Transition. Dinidribble ang bola. Naghahanap ng papasahan to Santi. Quick release by Santi. Almost. Rebound by Reynard to Tenorio. Tenorio on the transition. Sa gitna. On the side. Sa ilalim. Tinira na Raymond. No good. Rebound by Tenorio. One more time. Foul Christian in the process. Foul number 18 Christian. Free throw.
Stop, guys.
Substitution. Mandatory substitution. Sub. It's a low-scoring game. 6-4 in favor of color green.
Ako na bahala.
Tenorio. First shot, no good.
Oo, ako si Epi po. Tsaka si Kuya Renz.
Second shot, Tenorio. Yes. It's a straight shot by Tenorio. Inbound by John to Rogin. Rogin, dinadala ang bola. It's a new setup. Hops, John, pinasa kay Harry. Harry to the center, John again. Naghahanap ng papasahan. To Harry, back to Harry. Dumray, kinakawan. Whoa! What's that? Correct. Offensive foul, number 10.
Big cheat.
Number 10, offensive foul. Wow, transition. Good defense by number 9. Surf on the 3-point area, pass to Raymond. Okay, same ball. Ref, what's the call? Same ball on the green. Tenorio, Dumidiscarte to Surf. Surf on the perimeter, no good. Rebound by Raymond, no good. Back to Rod. Rod Dumidiscarte, naghahanap ng papasahan. Gumigna. To Tenorio, back to Surf. Sa ilalim, si Raymond. What a shot by Raymond. Kinabila pa po. Swinging. Ayan na. Roger, naghahanap ng papasahan. Ayan, kay John, naghahanap ng papasahan to Alejo. Nagpasahan ng dalawa. To Dan. Nag-iisip to Roger. Now, B-Boy on the 3-point area. No good. Pass break, intercepted by John, almost. Inbound by Rod to Tenorio. Tenorio, dribbling the ball. Nasa gitna, naghahanap ng papasahan to Rod. Rod, Dumidiscarte. Serve, nandun sa side. Naghahanap. Number 16, blue, foul. 13 foul by the team. Inbound by Rod to Raymond. Knockout, no good. One more time, nagbalo ang isip to Tenorio. Perimeter, no good. What a kicking rebound by John. To serve on the 3-point area, no good. Rebound by Tenorio. What a rebound. Kontrolado po ng Gray ang painted area as of now. Roger, tumasagasa. On the side to Dan to Mike. No good. Rebound by Harry. Easy 2 points to Harry. Inbound by Rod, binababa ang bola. Tumitingin sa gilid. Tumingin ulit sa gilid. Pinuro. Back to Emmer. Emmer on the perimeter. Whoa, no good. Rebound by Rogen. Rogen, nag-isip. Dinala ang bola. Dumrive. Passer to B-Boy. B-Boy! Nice shot by B-Boy. 3 points. Using the board. Serve. Nag-isip. Dumrive. Easy 2-point by Serve. What a turnaround by Serve. Rogen. Rogen, dumi-discarte. Bad pass by Serve. Miscommunication. Sorry. Miscommunication. Raymond inbound to Rod. Dinadala ang bola. To Serve again. One more time. Go good. Three-point area. Rebound by Rogen. Rogen, dinadala ang bola. Dumi-discarte. Pasa to Harry. Harry to John on the 3-point area. John naghahanap ng papasahan. Back to Rogen. B-Boy to John in the 3-point area. No good. And the transition, Raymond. Ready to the hook. 16. 2 personal fouls. B-Boy second personal. Rod inbound the ball. Naghahanap ng papasahan. In the 3-point area, Serve. To Raymond. To Tenorio. Tenorio, dinagalan. Dumi-discarte. Rod in the 3-point area, no good. Rebound by Rogen. Rogen in transition to Harry. Intercepted by Tenorio. What the... Nice anticipation by Tenorio. Substitution.
B-Boy! Idol!
Big J. Oh, Doc Ben, my idol. My second idol.
Tenorio inbound the ball to Reynard. Reynard dinidribble ang bola. Nasa gitna. Pinasa kay John. To Reynard on the other side. Other wing. 3-point territory. No good by Tenorio. Dinalaga ni Giscard. Transition. Rumaragasa. Back to Christian. To JC on the 3-point area. No good. Rebound by Chop. One more time to Giscard. Pass to Christian. Back to Jackie. Ayan, inigot. JC. Power play by JC. No good. One more time. No good again. Nice defense by Emmer. Emmer pinasa kay Reynard. Reynard to John. John. Blind pass intercepted by Jackie. JC, dinadala ang bola, nag-drive. Pinasa, what a good pass. Nice pass to Mr. Easy 2-point. Pass break. Miscommunication.
Papakal.
Pass, KC, good pass. I have the mood as Smith.
Doon sa right fan, burang traffic. Parang nag-drive na daybreak. Parang nag-daybreak na.
Alright, JC, dinadala ang bola. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Tumaksak. Pinasa kay Christian. In the process to Giscard. Giscard. Try his left. No good. Tenorio on the pass break. To Reynard. To John. No good. Christian. Driving. Pasa sa baba kay Santi. Good shot, Santi. Napakaganda po ng posisyon ni Santi sa ilalim.
Tie game.
It's a tie game, 13-13. Budas at Barabat Sesta. Tenorio to Emmer on the perimeter on the right side. 3-point area, John. To Raymond. No good. Tipped by Emmer, no good. One more time, rebound by JC. JC, dinadala ang bola. Ayan, Giscard sa ilalim. Good shot, Giscard. Discard yan.
Discard, my idol.
Reynard slowing down. Dumidiscarte to John. To Reynard. Reynard, dumahin sa gitna. Pinasa sa left side kay Tenorio. Tenorio. Tenorio nag-iisip. To John. Open shot from John. Almost. Oh, single seven kay Reynard. Tenorio on the drum. No good. Rebound by Santi. Santi slowing down.
Huwag ka bola.
Dumidiscarte, nasa gitna. On the right side to Discard. Discard on the three-point area. Good line. Pinasa kay Christian on the three-point area. No good.
Baba, Mark.
Rebound by the Gray team. Reynard, binadrive ang bola. Transition again. Pass to De Leon. De Leon to Tenorio on the perimeter. No good. Using the board. Rebound by Raymond. No good on the ilalim. Rebound by Santi. Santi on the cross page to Christian to Discard. What a pass! Timeout by Gray. 13-17 in the favor of Gray. Napakaganda po ng last play. Brought to you by Santi.
You guys are the best.
Christian, we believe that. Thank you for coming. Brought to you by Christian, we believe that.
Discard is running for MVP.
It's a close game, 13-17. 4 points lead by the Green team.
Parang natin ang ganda ng shoot na.
Go!
Last 8 minutes and 16 seconds for the first half.
Si Jan, wala pa. Camping. Si Jan, wala.
Game ball.
Lalaro pero walang reply. Walang signal sa bundok.
Gideon, inbound to Reynard. Reynard. To serve. To Gideon. To serve to Reynard. Dumidiscarte. Tenorio on the perimeter. Jan dribbling the ball at the three-point area. Reynard, tumaksak sa gitna. What a shot! It's a magical shot from Reynard. Discard being harassed by De Leon. De Leon harassing Discard. Discard to Christian. It's a traveling. It's a traveling. De Leon inbound to Raymond to serve on the three-point area to Raymond on the perimeter to De Leon on the three-point area. What a shot by De Leon. Nice shot by Mr. De Leon. Napakagaling po. Discard harassed by De Leon to Santi. Main violation by blue team. Inbound by Tenorio. Tenorio to Reynard. Intercepted by Christian. Nice defense, Christian. Reynard to serve. Serve on the three-point area, no good. Rebound by Tenorio. Santi to JC. JC being harassed. Discard on the three-point area. Dumidiscarte, humahanap ng papasahan to JC. Humahingi ng pick kay Discard. Pick by Discard. To the drive to the hook. What's the call rep? Good.
Stop.
Last 6 minutes. Substitution. It's a close game, 18-17 in the favor of the favor. Rod, re-rebound ng bola. Dumidiscarte. To Emmer. Emmer to Rod. Rod, back to Emmer in the three-point area. What a shot ni Emmer! Napakagaling ko ni Emmer. Rogin to Dan. Dan to Harry. To John. To B-Boy. B-Boy to John. Inabit ang bola. Whoa! No good by Harry sa ilalim. Ayan na po.
Chan! Chan!
Rod to Emmer again. Emmer. Wow! Nice shot, Emmer. Counted. Basket count. There's a chance for a three-point play by Emmer. Third foul. Three foul na yung 16, number 16.
Boy, tatlo ka na!
Hindi po na kompleto ni Emmer ang three-point play. Harry. Back to Harry on the position. What a drive. Foul by Emmer, number 21.
14 pounds? 30.
Nilabas ka. Nilabas ka.
Free throw for Harry. First attempt is Rox Awa po. Good.
Na-shoot?
Yes.
Alright. Second attempt. Oh, perfect. It's 2 out of 2 by Harry. Inbound by Raymond. Rod, dinadala mo wala doon si Cafe. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Kay Emmer sa perimeter. No post by Emmer. No good. Rebound by Harry. Harry, naghahanap. Binigay kay John. John to Roger. Harry. Okay. One more time. Yes, shot. 3 seconds. Nangitlog po.
Good pass, good pass. Nangitlog lang.
Ayan na po. Ayan na. Dribble ni Rod. Sa right wing. Sa ilalim, sinasa. Miscommunication. Miscommunication. Sinisok po ni Rod. Pass to Harry sa 3-point area. To jump sa 3-point area. Nag-attempt. No good. Rebound by Emmer. De Leon brings down the ball. Pass to Rod in the 3-point area. Transition sa ilalim si Raymond. No good. Blue ball. Roger. Pasa to Harry. Harry to Mike. Sinaksak. Sa ilalim. No good. Easy bucket for Harry. Ayan po. Nag-uusap sila. Dumidiscover ang great game. Binababa ni Rod ang bola. Nasa gitna si Rod. Pinasa sa right wing. Serve on the 3-point area. Almost. Bumabas ang bola. Harry. Driving to the hook. Diretso. Team right. Blocking foul by number 9. Taas po ang kamay. Number 8 pala.
Sino ba?
Rod, number 9.
Number 9 siya. Hindi, dalawang number niya. 8 siya. Ayun.
Asan? Okay, first free throw by Harry.
Iba sila ng ano eh.
First attempt is no good. Second attempt. Oh, no good again. It's a blue ball. Blue ball. Sa ilalim. Kay Roger. Kay John. Kay B-Boy. B-Boy. Intercepted almost. Tinira sa perimeter. Yes! Nice. B-Boy. Good job, B-Boy. Good recovery by B-Boy. Transition again. Raymond sa perimeter. Easy bucket for Raymond. Roger. Dumidiskarte to Harry. Harry, hinaharas. Naki-Joe ng bola. To B-Boy again. 3-point area. Able by B-Boy. Raymond, in-attack. No good. Rebound by Emer. Sa ilalim. Shit. Net, basket count.
Basket.
Basket count ba?
Yeah, basket.
Okay, basket count. Foul again. There's a chance for Emer to complete the 3-point play. Last 13 seconds.
Running time yan.
Running time po, running time po.
Tinatagalan na.
Completed by Emer. First half score is 28-23. In favor of the Great Team. Chale, magwakan ka na. Wala po bang patubig ang table committee? Yung mga Galvez brothers ay wala man lang palang chicharong bulaklak. Yung mga lasing dyan, tumabi muna. Natataos na mga committee, wala man lang drink yung ating duko.
Wala ba kayong mga pagulaman dyan?
Intermission. No good. Mr. Galvez on the 3-point area. What a shot.
My idol!
Another one from his teammate. No good. Roger.
Si ano yun? Si Gian.
Oh, this is Mr. Gian.
Score pa. Ano kami? Dapat naman.
Mr. Galvez, mukhang natsambahan ko lang yung una.
Sila, Kuya Jem. Naka 3 points, tsaka yung ano. Tsaka yung foul fountain. Sabay nyo si Harry, tsaka si ano.
Team Duko, wala ba tayong pa-drinks dyan para medyo tumawag yung pag-uwi sa'yo, ganahan. Walang boses eh.
Kalakal-hati ako eh. Kasama si Bambu.
Nasa ba?
Babantayin dalawang team na yung mga hirap din dyan ko. Text nyo, babantayin sila. Oh, timer.
Para yung 24
Second half. Maganda na po ang mga team for the second half.
Yari ka dun eh na. Dali. Yo. Press yung Brad. Oh, pasok na guys! Yun, may ganun ka pa eh.
Okay, guys, second half.
Wala, hindi nagulang.
Okay, it's a battle of the best. Okay, Rayball.
Ayun naman pala eh. Uha.
De Leon inbounding the ball to Reynard. Reynard, naghahanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay John, sa ilalim, kay Raymond. Pinasa kay Tenorio, intercepted by Giscard. Tumaragasa. Nag-drive to the hook, no good. Reynard. Reynard, pass play to Emer. Emer, easy 2-point, no good. Blue number 8 foul. Sino? Eugene.
Oh, cutter, ha? Cutter,
Raymond
cutter.
to Reynard. Reynard back to Raymond. Raymond to Emer. Easy bucket. Mga twin tower kung itong play na to eh. Giscard. 30-23 in favor of the great team. Santi on the 3-point area. No good. Rebound by, pick up by Harry. 21 foul in the process.
21. Ayan, tatlo. Si Emer.
2 fouls. 1 Emer.
Emer.
Second personal of Mr. Emmer.
Emer. Second.
Second personal, Mr. Emmer, my idol.
May sumingit pa eh, no? Bias tong committee dito eh, no? May idol daw. First shot is good. Iba talaga nagagawa ng ano eh, guwapo. Second shot by Harry. Split shot by Harry. Split free throw. Rebound by Emmer. Emmer, idol ni Jude. Pinasok kay De Leon. To Raymond. To Reynard. De Leon to idol ni Jude, si Emmer. Rebound by Raymond. Napakalakas po sa ilalim ni Raymond. Bumati na pa. Ang lakas po ng number 30 ngayon. Mukhang kinakaya ng iba. Discard. To Chucky. Chucky. Wow! Lumusot sa ilalim. Back to Santi. Santi to Discarte. Naghanap ng papasahan. To JC. Intercepted by Raynard. Foul JC.
Number 10.
Number 10 foul. Raynard to John. John to Raynard. Raynard in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound by Harry. Harry to Giscard. Giscard. Transition. No good. Rebound by Harry again. One more time. One more time again. Second time. Third time by Harry. Ang lakas. Napakalakas po.
Dapat yung kawin ko eh.
Napakalakas po ni Harry.
Dapat din ako dun tula.
Iba daw pag-inspired. Raymond sa ilalim. Traveling by Raymond.
Come on!
Isang flex naman yan, Harry. Harry. Ako, inspired kaya na eh, sa mga audience. Ayan na. Pinasagasan. Giscard. Pinasok ka kay JC. JC in the 3-point area. April. To Raynard. Raynard. To Raynard. To Maxot. No good. Rebound by Raymond. No good. Giscard. Ayan, transition. Pinasa kay Harry sa ilalim to Sandy. Easy bucket. Good pass by Harry to Sandy. Good conversion. Dinadala po ng bola ng idol ni Nudes. Si Emmer. Ayan, pinalusot sa ilalim ng bola. Raymond sa gitna. One easy bucket. Inagawa ni John si Giscard. Binabantayan. Hinaharap. Naibaba po sa half court to JC. JC. Foul. Blocking foul. Rep, sino?
10, Reynolds.
Reynolds, number 10. Taas po ang kamay para hindi manito ang mga kumiti. Chucky inbound. Lagi na po crucial. Harry. Sa ilalim to Giscard. Pinira. No good. There's a split ball. Same ball blue. Okay. May corrected the call. It's gonna be a great ball. Great ball. Sumasagasa to John. The 3-point area. Easy bucket by John. Napakagaling po. Mr. De Leon. Giscard. Dinadrive ang bola, hinaras ni De Leon to Harry. Harry back to Giscard. Giscard nag-dribble ng bola. Subaksak sa gitna to Chucky on the perimeter. Easy bucket. Nice shot, Mr. Chucky. Nagpasalamat po si Chucky. You're welcome, Mr. Chucky. Ayan, Emmer on the 3-point area. Sumaksak. Fake shot. Using the board. Board lang tinamaan. Ayan po. Foul in the transition. Foul number 2, Mr. Guillon.
Coach, ano bang play natin?
Substitution. Commissioner, hindi na magsalita pag dry na yung bibig eh. Yan hindi pa tuloy yung score pag inbound by Roach to Fernandez. Looking John in the 3-point area. Attempted, no good. Rebound by Roach. Transition. Pass to serve. Serve sa ilalim. Sinaksak. Foul in the process by John. Akap shooting. Number 69 foul. John, tas may kamay mo.
Kahit pag sama-sama yung kay coach.
First shot is the first attempt is no good.
Parang talent namin.
Second shot by serve. No good again. Rebound by Harry. Binababa ang bala ni Rogen. Naghahanap ng papasahan to Harry. Harry dumay. Sa perimeter, tinira. Short. Rebound by Tenorio to one. Rod, naghahanap ng papasahan. Pinababa ang Pasama. To the right side. Kumas sa gitna. Intercepted by Dan. Good intercepted by Dan. Intercepted again by Tenorio. Dumay. Intercepted again. Naglarong bubong po tayo. Ayan. 3-point by John. No good. Rebound by Ronald. Ayan na naman po. Muulit. Okay. Nag-slow down po. Dinalik. Almost. Nakatawid. Si Rod. Tumuro. Naghahanap ng pasahan. Kay Serge. Serge. Is traveling. Rebound muna sir. Roger, binibigyan ng bola. To Christian in the 3-point area. No good. Rebound by Tenorio. Tumagazad. Hinarang. Tinira sa perimeter. No good. Rebound by Reynolds. Rebound again by Serge. 18 foul. Holding foul by number 18. Dalawa na po Mr. Fernandez.
15 foul.
Oh, cutter!
15 foul by the team.
Salubong!
Inbound sa ilalim to Raymond na intercept ni Harry. Good anticipation, Mr. Harry.
Pwede nyo na yung
Nice interception. Nice anticipation.
Cutter!
To serve. Up. Foul number 18. Akap shooting.
18 lang. 13 foul. Third foul niya.
Third foul na po ni Mr. Christian.
24 hours. Shot clock.
Oh, it's in Harry? Oh, it's Harry. Number 10. Sorry. Thank you, Rep, for correcting.
Ay, 2 minutes ang ano 22.
Number 39 is the free throw. First attempt.
Harry, dalawa.
No good. Lumabas pa ang bola. Second attempt by Serve. Very good. Hindi po tumama sa ring. Ringless. Very good, Mr. Serve. Dan, transition. Naghahanap ng papasahan to Roger sa 3-point area. Screen by Christian. To John. To Roger. To Dan. Sa labas po lahat. Sa ilalim si Harry. Good shot. Rod. Ginadala ang bola to Raynor. Serve on the 3-point area. Perfect. What a shot by Serve. Good shot, Serve. Napagaling po ni Mr. Serve. Jump. Mr. Alejo. Dinidribble ang bola. Nag-asap pa sa Dan sa 3-point area. Dinidribble ang bola. Inaharap. Tenorio intercepted by Raymond. Reynolds on the transition. Naghahanap ng papasan. Inikot ang bola. Pinasa kay Reynolds. Nice pass, Mr. Reynolds. It's a good pass. Drop pass by Mr. Reynolds. Roger. Tumitripo ng bola. Christian, 3-point. No good. Rebound by John. Harry. Right by Harry. Foul, Raymond. Number 13, foul.
Fouls. Second, foul.
Second personal of Mr. Raymond. First shot by Harry. Short. Last 12 minutes and 20 seconds. Second attempt. Okay, shot. Substitution. Yan, Raymond. Sa perimeter sa side. To serve. Another 3-point by serve. No good. Rebound by JC. JC. Dribble ang bola. Bumababa ang bola. Binababa ang bola. To discard. On the 3-point area. Dumidiskarte. Naghahanap. Binaharas ni De Leon. To Santi on the perimeter. Turnaround shot. No good. Rebound by Tenorio. To John. John, naghihintay. Ever! Perimeter. Kaya po ni Ever sa perimeter. Santi on the 3-point area. Hinaharas ni John. Oh, to my idol. Timoy on the 3-point area. Almost!
The back is close.
The bank is close. Serve on the transition. Good interception by T-Boy. Nice steal. Transition and good interception again by Tenorio. Oh! Holding foul. Numbers 8.
Time out, ref.
Timeout ref. Timeout blue. 10 minutes remaining in the second quarter.
Ref, penalty.
45-33 in favor of the Gray team.
7 foul. Yeah, 7. Penalty na yung blue.
Blue team, penalty na po ha. Red penalty na blue team.
Pinatagalog mo yun.
Shot, sorry ref. Blue team is in penalty.
Sapatos ka na habang nakabreak. Ikaw muna dyan. Sabi mo para penalty sa katawan.
Kumang.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. 25. 20.
Huwag din pressure si coach. Time 10 minutes and 39 seconds remaining to the last second half.
Sinong foul na? Nasulat na.
One-on-one.
Bakit yung shirts?
No, 101.
Ano ko hindi ka nasita?
Napagaling po sa free throw ni Mr. Raymond. Killer ng free throw po yan. Palagay ko dito po natutulog yan sa gabi. Discard. Dinidepensahan ko ni De Leon. Pinasa kay JC. JC sumaksak. Pass to Santi. Miscommunication. Tenorio inbounding the ball to Reynolds.
Tingin dyan ako sa malaki ha? Tingin sa malaki!
Reynolds dribbling the ball. John in the 3-point area. Back to John. John subaksak. Oh! Hira po yan. 2 points by John in the perimeter area. Discard. 9:42. Mahaba pa po ang oras. Anything could happen. Giscard 3 points. Giscard 3 points. Score is 49-36 in favor of the gray team. Lamang po ng 13 ang gray team. Reynard on the 3-point area. Raymond dumidiskarte. Sa gitna, pumasok sa side. Pinasakit Tenorio. Tenorio sa perimeter. Easy bucket. Bumaril pa po si Idol Linuch. Sandy bringing down the ball to Giscard. Another 3-point by Giscard. Back to back. 3-point by Giscard.
Defense! Defense, guys!
Good shot by Giscard.
Chuck, that's it, Chuck! Push it, push it!
Lopez Raymond
Push it on, Chuck!
to Emmer. No good.
Blue ball, blue ball, blue ball!
Blue ball.
Bola, bola, bola!
Rebound by Shaki, received by Santi to Giscard. Giscard to JC. JC in 3-point area. No good. Napasayaw.
Kinakaway ni Lee.
Ilalim, ilalim, ilalim!
Ilalim daw.
Para pagpapwenas yung
Pampabuenas. Ayan na, si Raymond. Tinira. Hindi, nagbago isip. To Reynard. To John. 3-point area. Patay! John 3 points!
Open shot, buddy! Open shot!
Giscard. Dinadala ang bola. Hinaharas. Intercepted by Tenorio to John. John to Reynard. Easy bucket. Nice pass.
Run, run, run!
Shaki bringing down the ball.
Find it!
To Idol. JC sa ilalim. Easy bucket. Ha? First 2 points of JC. Tenorio, binababa ang bola. Nasa gitna.
Come on, come back, come back!
Lumipas sa right side. Sa gitna. Reynard, nag-isip. Tenorio, intercepted by the blue
Let's go,
team.
let's go!
Foul number 21, Idol by Nudes.
Apat, apat. Apat yan.
Three.
Third personal of Mr. Emmer.
Ilang team pa na?
D-Boy, pass sa ilalim kay JC. JC blocked by Tenorio. No call.
Nag-uubos na oras! Come on!
Tenorio, pinaba ang bola. Itinawid po ang bola. Reynard. Dumidiskarte. Emmer on the 3-point area. Back to Reynard. John sa 3-point area. Binalik kay Reynard. John sa 3-point area. No good. JC. Transition sa ilalim kay Giscard. Giscard back to JC. JC sa baksak. Binantayan. Santi on the 3-point area. Almost. Using the board, no good. Foul, B-Boy. Holding foul. Last almost 6 minutes of the remaining second quarter. Hugging from behind or F from behind.
Defense,
Kaya,
defense,
magsipalos
ha?
ka na.
Defense, ha?
Hindi, ano kayo yung lima ang palit pa ikot ang
Chuck, Chuck, get it!
Raymond, pinabantayan. Hinaharas, tatlong tao. Open to serve sa right side. 3-point, no good. Rebound by Giscard. Ang bilis, tumaksak, transition, Harry. Foul in the process by De Leon. Out of shooting. True Peter for Mr. Harry. Commissioner, salamat po sa inyong pagdaan. Aming karangalan yan.
From start yung video natin dito kay bagong kalaban natin eh.
First attempt of Mr. Harry. No good.
Nakikita hindi na bumabalik kay Alon lang.
Second shot. No good again. Rebound by JC. Foul by Sir.
You have time out. You have time out.
First shot of JC is good. Hindi po tumama na rin. Painless. Perfect shot by Mr. JC. Hindi po gumamit ng ring. Alright, being harassed. Raymond, dinadala ang bola. Ayan po, hinaharas si Raymond. Ayan na po, man-to-man na po ang laban. Man-to-man to Rod. Rod. Screen given to Seth. Kumasikat. No good. Single daw po. Substitution. Single. Inbound sa right side. Right side to Tenorio. Tenorio. Hinaharap si Rogers. Man-to-man po. 15 foul.
One shot, one shot.
Penalty.
Kailangan niyo pa ba ng 10 para mag-stop sign para.
Penalty. 30-point lead by the great team.
Oh, kapag more than 10.
More time.
First shot is good. Second shot. No good. Split shot. Rebound again by the great team. Great team to serve. Serve. Dribbling the ball to John. John to Raymond. Raymond slowing down the time. Dumidiscarte. Now, pinapatayan ni JC. Nabubos ng oras.
Foul na!
Rod bringing down the ball. Inanabot to Tenorio to serve. Serve to Tenorio. Nagagawan.
Takbo na!
Roger on the three-point area. No good. Rebound by Serve. Serve to Raymond. 1 and 49 seconds. Slowing down the time. Taking time, John. Inikot ang bola. To Tenorio. Tenorio to serve. Serve. To John. Easy bucket by John.
Stop.
Substitution. 1 minute and 32 seconds. JC is the three-point area. No good. Rebound by Renard. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Penalty again. Foul by Disco.
Less than 10. Less than 10. Running time. Less than. Sinong foul?
Discord. Sige lang, pagod na kami.
Para ganahan naman na kami.
Pagod na kami. Ilan ba?
Game.
Okay. Nag-concede na po ang blue team. It's a good game. Good game, guys. Nice sportsmanship. Thank you for officiating the first game. And candidate for the best player, 90%. Commissioner, sino ang ating player of the night?